everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. Today we are going to be unboxing the November Glossybox. This is $21 American a month, and it feels a little light this month, I'm not gonna lie. But let's see what we have inside. Okay, let's see if we have like a Christmas themed box. That would be nice. Nope, it's just the standard pink box. So it comes with a Bright Sellers coupon and a Vincero watch gift card coupon, and it's just our normal pink box. Nothing very exciting. Last November's box was really pretty. I think that was one of the first videos I ever filmed, and that is how it comes packaged. And the theme is makeup and magic. Ooh, that sounds promising. Let's open it up and see what we have. Okay, so here are the contents. I don't have my glasses on, so I can't really see. There's something shiny in there. Let's grab whatever this... Oh, that's a bunch of stuff. So the first thing we have is from Hero Cosmetics, a Mighty Patch. So it looks like... Oh, it's 6 patches. So blemishes don't just happen at night. Mighty Patch Invisible Plus is a super thin hydrocolloid patch that's barely noticeable. It extracts impurities, camouflages blemishes, and helps heal your skin. Whether you're at work, school, or on the dance floor, feel confident with Invisible Plus. Get out there and be mighty. So it looks like spot treatment for acne, which comes in handy. Okay, next we have also from Hero Cosmetics. It looks like a sample of the Rescue Balm, which is a post-blemish recovery cream. Let's take care of our skin. And then next up we've got another packet. So this is from Wander Beauty, and it is the Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. Love a good eye mask. So these will come in handy for these bags. I can't ever get rid of these bags. I need to start sleeping more. So they are individually packaged gold foil eye masks, which help nourish dull, tired looking skin, which we all need, especially coming into winter. Okay, next up, what is this? So it's from Spectrum Zodiac, and it is a B07 Tall Crease Blender. So we have a brush. Never heard of this brand before. Oh, that's got some nice weight to it though, so that is what the brush looks like. It's a little flattened, so it just needs to be floofed up a bit. So we have that, which will come in handy. Okay, I think we're already on our last item. Yeah, I thought this box felt a little light. So this is from LA Splash, and it is an eyeshadow palette. Okay, so that's good. I do love a nice eyeshadow palette. Doesn't really say what it is or how many pans. So that's the outer box, really very pretty. And then this is the inner packaging. So it looks like we have an 8-pan palette. Let's take this off. So nice neutral palette. So the top row is mattes, and then these are all shimmers. Yeah. Let's swatch a couple. Okay, so let's grab Tiger's Eye. Oh, it's very creamy. Amber. Onyx, just because I love to see how a black eyeshadow does. And this Rose Quartz. I love a nice pink shimmer. Wow. Looks like they're going to, okay, a little powdery. Wow. Look at that black swatched really nicely. The shimmer, they're all really nice actually. The brown was a little powdery, but you can just blend that in. Those are some gorgeous colors. So yeah, always happy to add a new palette to my collection. Let's get some prices. All right, so the LA Cosmetics Ready to Go eyeshadow palette is full size $32. The Spectrum Collections limited edition B07 brush, full size $8.99. The Wander Beauty full sized, so one pair is $4.16, and then a full size would be 6 pairs at $25. The Mighty Patch and the Rescue Balm from Hero Cosmetics. They're deluxe minis, so the full size would be $17.99 and $12.99. And oh look, we didn't get something. Unless it's in here still. Nope. I'm getting really sick and tired of this. So we were supposed to get from Deuce Cosmetics an ultra precision eyeliner worth $22. And I didn't get that. So let's see what my box is valued at with the missing item and without the missing item. Okay, I did the calculations. I'm really irritated that I didn't get... I feel like I haven't got an item in a lot of boxes recently. What the heck? I know there's stuff going on, but still, what the heck? So without the eyeliner, my box is $49.15, which is not that great because the exchange rate, the box is already like $30. With the eyeliner, it is $71.15, which is better, but still not great. Now, if there hadn't been an eyeshadow palette in this box, I really would not have liked it that much. My fingers are still dirty. So yeah, the value's not really there for me this time because I don't really get a lot of acne because I'm almost 40. So picking my favorites, I'll go with the eyeshadow palette, the eye patches, the brush, and then these little deluxe minis. Yeah, that's all I have to say about that. But coming up in the next week or so, I'm going to be unboxing the Glossybox Advent Calendar. I'm very excited for that. I got it a couple weeks ago and it looks gorgeous. So I can't wait to get into that. Hopefully it's got some really good items in that. I've also got the NYX Advent Calendar unboxing video that will be coming up shortly. I've already filmed that. Yeah. So I'd like to thank everyone for watching. It would be nice if I could have had a full box to unbox, but you know, I'll get in touch with Glossybox and hopefully they will send me the missing item. Yeah, and as always, I really appreciate you watching. If you wouldn't mind liking, you can click the like button down below. If you would like to subscribe, you can click here, and there's more videos for you to watch here and here. And thank you all for watching again. I really appreciate it. Have a great day.